All right, in today's video, we're talking about our domain of maintenance management, and we are on failure management. Failure management. Why not just say root cause analysis? Why not just say some other terminology that's common in the field? Well, for us, failure management includes two aspects. It includes not only the aspect of root cause analysis and trying to understand why an event may have occurred, but it is also the more detailed technical analysis of component level failure, where we're sending things out to have the bearing analyzed by our vendor to tell us precisely what happened. I get that that's all part of root cause analysis, but for us, failure management is not only the management of the event of root cause analysis, but all the activities that take place afterwards where we're reducing the probability of reoccurrence through actions that get taken, through the investigation of some third-party technical aspects associated with an event or a failure. All those things combined for us are included within the failure management building block. And so this particular building block is looking at faults and things from our predictive maintenance technologies, as well as significant events that trigger root cause analysis. Not every event will trigger a root cause analysis if you've set that up correctly. So in this building block, we have the root cause analysis aspects, which means we need triggers when our maintenance cost is X, or operations has X amount of downtime, or there was a safety incident. All those things are triggers for a root cause analysis. We utilize the appropriate root cause analysis tool, such as, well, at the line level, it could be as simple as a 5Y. If it's a quality defect, we might use a fishbone diagram. If it's a more technical event or failure, we may use things like cause mapping or Apollo root cause, or even a fault tree analysis to help us determine what happened and what we can do to minimize the likelihood of reoccurrence. In addition to that, we may send parts out for third-party analysis to a metallurgist or to our bearing vendors to help us perform a more detailed analysis and get down to precise technical aspects. All the work that happens after we dig down to root cause analysis helps us to mitigate potential failures in the future. We update our PM strategies, we update essentially the strategy around how we'll manage not only the asset, but maybe even the part itself. And so failure management is a breadth of information stemming all the way from the entire root cause cycle, which is identification and triggers all the way through to the end. But even in events that may not trigger a formal RCA, we still have to manage those failures, whether we're looking at work order history and updating our strategy or any other means that can help us reduce overall failures within the plant are included in failure management.